Hello folks, I hope everyone is well. This short video is going to talk about your Interim Assessment 3 and another assignment that's due on USA Test Prep this upcoming week. The Interim Assessment is going to be due on Tuesday, and it will cover Units 1 and 5, and you can find the notes and recordings for Unit 1 and 5 on the Geometry homepage. This assessment can help you to improve your grade if you score over an 85%. The reason why is you're going to be able to redo questions that you miss. So giving you that extra chance to try to improve your grade is why it's set at 85%. There are going to be 25 questions on this interim assessment, and you should plan on starting the assessment during your class time on Tuesday. Remember to take your time. Very, very important to take your time. As you can see, this is just copied from the Geometry homepage outlining some of the assignments and things that are due this upcoming week. And we have week 10, and this is week 10, folks. Now's the time to make it happen. You see on Monday here is just review for your interim assessment, and it tells you exactly where to find the notes for units 1 and 5. On Tuesday, the interim assessment will be available at 9 a.m. on usatestprep.com. Please make sure that you can log into usatestprep.com. If you have any problems, please let me know. On Wednesday, it says your review assignment 2 is due, but I moved that to Thursday. So that's just a review assignment on USA Test Prep that helps you to review a little bit some of the things that we've done as we start to prepare for the end of course exam. Friday is actually Pi Day at FLCCA. So we're going to have Pi Day celebration, and you will see invite on your Class Connect schedule. So just check that out so that you can participate in the Pi Day activities. Please note that this week is also a time for you to catch up on assignments if you're behind. Very, very important. I will have a help session this week. I don't know which day yet, probably Wednesday or Thursday. Please come to the help session if you need help on assignments. But this is also a time for you to catch up on some assignments if you're behind on assignments. We might have a Class Connect on either Wednesday or Thursday. I'm just waiting to hear back to see if I have students to test on those days. If I don't, then we will have a Class Connect, so look out, check your schedule. If you see the class on your schedule, come on in. As always, you can reach me through email or you can call. Remember, our help sessions this week's a little bit different. It'll either be on Wednesday or Thursday because it's not a normal week considering that we have testing. But I hope everyone is well. Have a good start to your week. And if you have any questions, please reach out to me. Bye now.